Hello everyone, in this video we'll show you how to prevent Windows updates from downloading and installing automatically, giving you more control over when and how your system updates. Let's get started. Our first method involves using the Group Policy Editor. Keep in mind that Group Policy Editor is only available in certain editions of Windows 11, so if you're using the Home Edition, you might want to skip to the next method. Press Win+R to open the Run dialog. Type gpedit.msc and hit Enter to open the Group Policy Editor. Navigate to Computer Configuration, then to Administrative Templates. From here, open Windows Components. Then open Windows Update. From here, open Manage End User Experience. Double-click on Configure Automatic Updates. Select Disabled to prevent automatic updates. Click Apply and then OK. Once you complete the steps, Windows Update will no longer install system updates automatically on Windows. The second method is to temporarily stop Windows 11 updates, which can be done from the Windows Update screen. Click on the Start button, then select the gear-shaped icon to open Settings. Inside the Settings window, locate and click on Windows Update. Look for the Pause Updates section. Toggle the switch to enable the Pause Until option. Use the drop-down menu to select the date until when you want to pause updates. To ensure that updates are paused, you should see a message confirming that updates are paused until the date you selected.